friends, welcome back to Healthy in Heart. Today we're talking about a tough but vital topic, how pornography affects emotional intimacy in relationships. Whether you're healing, supporting a loved one, or just curious, this message is for you. If you've ever felt unseen or disconnected in a relationship and wondered if porn might be playing a part, stay tuned. This one's real and it's hopeful. So let's start with this. Porn isn't just about what you see. It's about what it steals. It steals presence. It steals emotional safety. And it creates a world where fantasy feels easier than connection. Emotionally, it can distance partners, making them feel unwanted and block the very intimacy that makes relationships thrive. And scientifically, research shows that pornography use rewires the brain. It raises dopamine levels similar to addictive substances and lowers emotional responsiveness. So if you've noticed emotional distance in your relationships, porn might be the hidden culprit. Spiritually, this isn't just a mental battle. It's a heart one. We're told in the Bible in 1 Corinthians 6:18 to flee from sexual immorality. In Ezekiel 36:26, God promises to give us a new heart and a new spirit. That means restoration is possible. Emotional closeness can be rebuilt. But first, we have to acknowledge the damage. So what does that damage look like? Maybe it shows up like this. Your partner avoids deep conversations. You feel like you're never enough. There's secrecy around tech use. Affection becomes rare, or your bedroom feels empty. It's not always about infidelity. Sometimes it's about isolation. Emotional intimacy requires honesty and safety, both of which pornography erodes. But there is good news. You're not stuck here. Whether you're the one struggling or you're the one hurting, I created a free resource to help rebuilding real connection, a recovery resource for when pornography distorts relationships. Hey, I have been there. I've had pornography destroy a relationship. But I've also been in a relationship where pornography started out as an issue, but it was thankfully overcome, and we were able to rebuild a real connection together, and we are stronger now than we ever were in the past. And that's what I want for you, and that's what you can have as well. But it takes both people being willing to come together and discuss and make behavior changes. So this resource is filled with reflection prompts. It's filled with scripture, practical tools, and healing tips. You can download it right now. Just head to the article on my website. It is linked below. I also want to recommend some excellent books that can help you or your loved ones dig deeper. Porn Trap by Wendy and Larry Baltz, Healing the Wounds of Sexual Addiction by Dr. Mark Lasser, and Real Love in an Angry World by Rick Bezet. These books combine psychology, healing, and faith, and they're linked in the article as well. For the full article, head over to healthyandheart.com. You'll find the biblical view of intimacy, psychological explanations for addiction, real signs to watch for, and steps to heal and rebuild emotional closeness, because that's what the ultimate goal is. Again, the free recovery resource is right there for you too, ready for you to download. Drop a comment if this has helped you, or if you're on a healing journey. You're not alone, and you're stronger than this battle. If you found this valuable, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more truth-centered, heart-healing content. And until next time, listen and obey, and stay healthy in heart.